So, you know me, I'm all about the sauces. So today...
You know I'm all about the sauce,
Thank you for totally wrecking my train of thought.
You're welcome.
There, Megan Trainor.
You know who sang that song?
Well, she was
Dad,
on
you're
she was on the
good.
football game
You're
not
good.
too long ago.
All right,
at
I'm waiting
halftime.
for football. What will we have?
Yeah, anyways, so keeping on the Thai kick, to do the main course, I of course need a sauce because I'm a sauce guy. I'm going to show you how to do a quick keto Thai peanut sauce.
Okay.
So anyways,
Let's do it.
It's super simple. We can do this in 5 minutes. So what we're going to do is, in your mixing bowl, you're going to take a quarter cup of water. Right, quarter cup of water. And then you're going to take a quarter. And to be honest with you, the oil and stuff, you don't have to use it. I like my sauce thick. My sauce looks just like peanut butter sometimes. But people like saucy sauce. So anyways, so I'm going to do about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to do... Sonia didn't even realize she just ate sriracha. So we're going to do...
I'm growing up.
About a tablespoon of sriracha. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So anyways, I'll do the old Justin Wilson thing where I will measure them off and you'll be like, oh, there's no way, but I'll do the Justin Wilson one day and show you.
I'm pretty sure you've done this enough to know.
So anyways, so we're going to take and we're going to do probably what this is going to be is about a quarter cup of peanut butter. So you're not going to eat it all. And I just dropped some on the floor. On the rug, no less. So anyways, I want to move this around in here and get moving. I need to go to my handy dandy whisk.
And the peanut butter that you're using
Is Maranatha. It's only salt
this.
and peanuts.
I love it.
Okay.
This is delicious.
So check that out. You see how I got that, right?
Yep,
Nice and smooth and creamy. It all
Just
came
like
together.
Lucky paint.
Yes,
Split
absolutely.
it up, stir it up. give
So
it
we're
a
going to take this and we're going to do about... We're going to start with 3 there.
So that was stevia?
That is stevia, our friend Steve.
Steve's been invited to a party.
Yes. Do the pinky test. Yep, we're almost there. So now here's the quick thing is we are going to continue with the wet team here. We're going to take a quarter off this. We're going to squeeze. It's slipping out of my hands because I got peanut butter in my hand.
Yeah, peanut butter on the floor.
Peanut butter on the floor, peanut butter in my hand. So, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take our microplane and get our ginger. Okay, so we have roughly about a little over a half teaspoon of ginger, but you can add more if you'd like. This is just about 2 teaspoons of cilantro. So this is a small clove of garlic. I guess I can't say garlic, right?
It smells amazing right now from my point of view.
Good, good, good. We're working on the sauce for the chicken today.
So Matt has got a chicken. Yesterday we did the cucumber salad. Today he's showing us, you know, how to eat the elephant one bite at a time. He's showing us how to do the sauce.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow we do the chicken.
Yep.
So which came first, the chicken or the sauce?
The sauce, obviously, because that's what I see it today. So we're going to mix this all up like so you got a nice creamy consistency.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab a forky fork to taste. Here, you want to give it a
Sure.
taste test?
All right, I'm right-handed, so it's going to be tough, but let me see here.
I'm
All
left-handed.
right, okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's good. You know what? I've never been a lover of like peanut butter in meals, but this, because it has like the lime with it, And the other additives, it actually makes it like gourmet peanut butter, so it doesn't just feel like peanut butter. You know what I'm saying?
So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this sit overnight so it gets a chance to absorb all those flavors. Like I can really taste the garlic. I got
oh my gosh. Yeah.
But what's going to happen is tomorrow it might separate a little bit. So before you serve it, you can see it's separating a little bit now. There in the corner, it looks a little grainy.
Yep.
But that's just a quick whisk, and you're fixed, right? And if you want to make this in the food processor, you can put it on, you know, puree or liquefy, and that will save you from that process. But
so a sauce like this, what are some options that you would pair it with? Are you going to like rub it all over chicken breast, or what does it go with?
This is
pork?
a dipping sauce mainly. Oh yeah, this is definitely a pork chicken.
Yeah.
Dipping sauce, because I gotta have my sauces with my food.
Yeah, so, right? It makes that way if you're having chicken, you feel like you got a different sauce with it. It feels like a whole different meal.
So the fact that it's looking a little grainy is because the lime juice and the garlic is starting to work its way through it.
Yep.
So tomorrow that will be a quick whisk, and it all will be emulsified, and it will be perfect. Okay?
Nice. Woohoo, that's it?
That's it.
Wow. Look at this, guys.
That's a 5-minute sauce. Yeah.
I love it. Take a good look at that. It smells amazing.
Yep.
Oh, I'm excited.
And you can see where it's getting grainy because it's separating.
Yep.
And tomorrow I'll hit that with a quick whisk once all the flavors are into it.
Yep.
And it will be smooth and creamy and beautiful.
I love it.
Yep.
All those words just make me happy. All right. The only way I cook with peanut butter is with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, so this is a whole new level.
Well, you can do a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but it would be pretty
spicy.
Pretty crazy.
It's a spicy meatball. Okay, all right, guys.
Thank you.
Doesn't this look awesome?
Yep.
Hey guys, it's Sonia closing out this video. Today was a blast. It was a lot of work. You guys know that we had our paint class here in the studio and had a whole group of people who came out to paint with me tonight. We did Chris Moose, which turned out awesome. Everybody did an amazing job. So I'm closing out this vlog late tonight, and Matt's recipe that he made that I got the taste test, the peanut butter dip that he made tonight was fabulous. Can't wait to try that tomorrow. So tomorrow our vlog, we're gonna see what he pairs it up with, and I think tomorrow he said it's chicken, right, that we'll do that with. So tomorrow should be a great recipe day as well. Guys, I was just sitting here going through the comments from the last 24 hours. Thank you to everybody who's on this journey with us and just taking the time to comment. I really appreciate that. And so today's winner is Karen Kennedy. She writes, sending you some love, smiley face. I love all your love. I love everybody's love. Just send it my way, will ya? And she says, I look forward to your vlog every single day. Thanks for brightening my day. All right, Karen. I'm hoping I'm going to brighten your day again tomorrow when I send you out a brand new can of Monkey Shine so you can make your project shine and preserve and protect it. So Karen, my friend, all you have to do is email me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com within 24 hours as of the time stamp of this video when it publishes here on YouTube. And just send me over winner, winner in the subject line. And of course, I'm gonna need your address so I can send that out to you. So I'll be watching for your email. Otherwise, this offer turns into a pumpkin. All right, so for today, I thought I would give up. I bought one of these shabby, cute little notebooks for myself, and I picked one up for somebody on here as well. So you guys know me, I love me some shabby roses, and I think it's fun to have notebooks just to write your thoughts down into, just to your dreams, put it in your, in your purse, whatever, just to keep with you. It's fun to have pretty things, right? So anyway, I'm gonna share one of these cute little notebooks that I picked up. And so if you would love to be entered to win a cute little notebook, then all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give me a comment below. Tell me what you thought of this video today. Tell me something that you saw in it that you really liked. Or just say hello to me, whatever floats your boat. I just love hearing from you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to head home, and the paint party, we just got everything all put away, put the shop back together. Now I get to drive home. I'm gonna edit this video and get it up for you guys because tomorrow is a brand new day and we do it all over again. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.